Today we are speaking again about meditation. I think this is the second lecture. We start from simple things. Why we do meditation? Is it important to do meditation? I think it's very important that every human being, early morning, do a meditation. Because meditation is like a breakfast. Your body needs nourishment. Early morning you go and eat something very good so that all the day you work. Your muscle needs, your nervous system needs energy, your brain needs energy, and to supply that energy you eat well morning. Now the same thing is for our soul. We must eat something so that we can be able all the day to battle against darkness, against ugliness, against lies, against glamours, illusions, and distortions. So that we find our path in the light, we must eat spiritually. And how we do it spiritually? We do meditation. Meditation supplies the energy that you need for all day, even for 1 year. If you take higher vitamins, higher energies, maybe the supply of the energy that you are receiving into your body, into your mind, into your spirit, can sustain you for your life. But to reach that point is a little difficult. We must start eating spoon by spoon every day, doing our meditation at least 5 minutes. At least 5 minutes. How we can take energy through meditation? Meditation is a contact. Contact. This is very important. Meditation is a contact with our inner beauty, inner source of creativity, inner source of energy, inner source of vision and revelations. When you touch that inner source, you touch the self within the universe. So meditation is actually absorbing into your system 3 vitamins. 3 vitamins: light, goodness, beauty, truth. It's so beautiful. You are absorbing these vitamins. And when you absorb these vitamins, something happens. You put your whole system in balance. You see, a lady came and she said, Torkom, she said, I am very wealthy. I said, that's what I'm looking for. I am very wealthy, she said. Well, I said, what can I do for you? She said, I am eating well, my husband is just masterpiece, my house is palace, everything. I don't have energy. I don't have energy. I said, you know, there is something wrong with you. You are feeding one part of your existence, the other part is hungry. She said, what is the other part? Other part, I said, is your spiritual nature. Your spiritual nature is not eating anything. Are you doing meditation? No. Are you praying? No. Are you reading very great, beautiful literature? No. But I am watching television. What I see, you watch? Gangsters. Well, that's another thing. So you are eating this part, body is eating, emotions are eating, the mind is eating, but the spirit within you is hungry. When spirit within you is hungry, you are out of balance. You don't have the balance. You are going to feed the spirit, you are going to feed the body. If you are feeding the spirit and body equally, nicely, beautifully, then you are a balanced human being.